In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate HubSpot to track your sales revenue effectively. If you're new to using HubSpot, or maybe you've been using it for a while but haven't fully explored the reporting features, this guide will walk you through the steps. Our focus today will be on how to access and set up the revenue report under the reporting section of your HubSpot account. First, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look towards the top navigation bar. Here, you'll see a variety of options. But for our purposes, we want to zero in on something that will help us analyze and understand sales performance. Click on Reporting, and then from the drop-down menu, go ahead and select Reports. This section is a powerful component of HubSpot, designed to offer insights that are crucial for understanding how your sales efforts are translating into actual revenue. On the left sidebar, you're going to see multiple categories that can help drill down into specific reports. For today's task, focus on the sales category. This category houses reports that are specifically tailored to give you insights into your sales processes, pipelines, and overall performance metrics. Once you've selected Sales, you'll notice a section labeled Forecast and Revenue. Click on this to access the Revenue Report. This report is particularly valuable as it allows you to track the actual income your sales initiatives are generating. Now that we're in the Revenue Report section, there's one more crucial step before we can fully utilize this tool. You will notice an option that says Add Properties and Start Tracking. Go ahead and click on this. What it does is allow you to customize the report based on the specific properties that matter most to your business. This could include deal stages, deal amounts, or even the timeline for closing deals. By adding these properties, you ensure that the data visualized aligns perfectly with your unique sales objectives and business model. As you implement these steps, remember that leveraging the power of HubSpot's reporting features can significantly enhance your ability to make data-driven decisions. If you're setting this up for the first time, take some time to experiment with different properties and see how the reports change. This will give you a deeper understanding of the dynamics of your sales funnel and help you pinpoint areas that need improvement or could benefit from additional investment. Once you've added all the necessary properties, the system will start tracking your sales revenue data effortlessly. At this point, sit back and watch as your insights unfold, giving you a clearer picture of your business's revenue landscape. So, there you have it, a full walkthrough on accessing and setting up the revenue report in HubSpot, designed to help you track and optimize your sales performance. Happy reporting!